Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to an extraordinary exploration of a hypothetical catastrophe that would unfold if a needle, yes, a simple needle, were to collide with our beloved Earth at the staggering speed of light. Now, hold on to your seats as we embark on this mind-bending thought experiment, where the laws of physics take us on an awe-inspiring journey through the realms of relativistic mass increase, time dilation, energy release, destruction, atmospheric effects, and global consequences. Part 1: Relativistic Mass Increase. A titanic encounter. Imagine a needle hurtling through the cosmos, accelerating closer and closer to the unattainable speed of light. According to the wondrous theory of relativity, as the needle's velocity surges, its mass skyrockets exponentially. This phenomenon, known as relativistic mass increase, defies conventional wisdom, as the needle's weight becomes infinite, demanding an inconceivable amount of energy to sustain its acceleration. Hey there, fellow space enthusiasts! Can you even wrap your mind around the sheer awesomeness of this hypothetical scenario? We're talking about a needle, yes, a humble needle, transforming into an unstoppable cosmic force. Make sure you're strapped in tight because we're about to dive into mind-blowing physics that will leave you in awe. And hey, if you're loving this mind-bending content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more mind-expanding science adventures. Whoa! The needle's mass increasing to infinity? Now, that's some mind-boggling stuff. I can't even fathom the amount of energy needed to keep that acceleration going. But hey, if you're as fascinated by mind-bending physics as I am, then you're in the right place. Trust me, this journey is just getting started. So, buckle up, leave a comment down below with your thoughts, and let's keep exploring the wonders of the universe together. Part 2: Time Dilation. A warp in the fabric of time, but wait, the adventure doesn't end there. As our needle propels towards light speed, the very fabric of time warps around it. From the needle's perspective, this cosmic race occurs in a mere instant. However, for us observers on Earth, time moves at its usual pace, seemingly oblivious to the needle's accelerated journey. It's a mind-boggling discrepancy that adds an intriguing twist to this thrilling hypothetical collision. Part 3: Energy Release. Unleashing the unimaginable now. Picture the grand finale, the needle and Earth converging in an unimaginable clash. The culmination of the needle's relativistic mass and light speed velocity results in an energy release that defies comprehension. Comparing it to the devastating Hiroshima nuclear bomb, with its 63 terajoules of unleashed energy, pales in comparison. The collision's energy release would be orders of magnitude greater, dwarfing any known explosion in human history. Brace yourselves for a cataclysmic explosion beyond the boundaries of our imagination. Part 4: Destruction shattering the world as we know it. As the needle and Earth collide, a cataclysm of unparalleled proportions unfurls before us. The release of an astronomical amount of energy triggers an earth-shattering explosion, ripping through the fabric of our planet. The needle, vaporized in an instant, pulverizes the Earth's crust, unleashing a force that ignites seismic upheavals, tsunamis of biblical scale, and volcanic eruptions of unprecedented fury. The very foundations of our world crumble, leaving devastation in their wake. Part 5: Atmospheric Effects. A darkened horizon, but the aftermath doesn't end with the physical destruction. The collision launches debris, dust, and gases high into the atmosphere, blotting out the sun's rays. Day turns into a perpetual twilight, as the once vibrant blue sky fades to an eerie gray. The resulting climate disruption plunges our planet into an icy grip, as agriculture falters and famine looms. We find ourselves grappling with the consequences of an altered atmosphere and weather patterns gone awry. Part 6: Global Consequences. Humanity's harsh awakening. In the wake of this catastrophic encounter, the world as we know it is forever changed. The loss of human life is unfathomable, with entire regions decimated and civilizations obliterated. The delicate balance of ecosystems teeters on the edge of collapse, ushering in mass extinctions and ecological upheaval. Agricultural systems crumble under the weight of adversity, triggering food shortages, famine, and societal unrest. Our global climate, already under strain, spirals further into chaos, compounding the challenges we face as a species. Conclusion. Ladies and gentlemen, in this mesmerizing exploration, we have delved into the cataclysmic hypothetical scenario of a needle colliding with Earth at the speed of light. While the consequences of such an event would be catastrophic beyond comprehension, it is vital to recognize that this scenario is purely speculative and not feasible according to our current understanding of physics. Nonetheless, this thought experiment serves as a reminder of the intricate balance of our world and highlights the significance of scientific knowledge and progress in shaping our understanding of the universe. Let us continue to marvel at the wonders of science while striving to protect and preserve our precious planet.